String of turtles is an exceptional indoor houseplant with serious aesthetic appeal. The name of string of turtles refers to the plant's trailing vines having a pattern on their delicate leaves reminiscent of turtle shells. It's also known as Magic Marmer, Jade Necklace, and Turtle Plant. String of turtles changing colors keep people talking about it. This indoor plant is light green in its new growth, but changes its color to darker green as vines mature. Being a succulent, string of turtles stores water in its leaves. Unlike most succulents, turtle plant does not require particularly warm temperatures. It will thrive in normal room temperatures. Repotting turtle plant is an easy task. Since it has a relatively slow growth, it won't need repotted very often. The Latin name for the string of turtles plant is Peperomia Prostrata. The plant is of the genus Peperomia, and the prostrata, part of its name refers to the creeping growth of the plant. For more information about string of turtles, check out Bees and Roses. String of turtles plant.